up, y'all? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizing. I'm over here, neighborhood in Clear Lake. Don't remember what it's called, but it's one of the few neighborhoods in this area that primarily has Bermuda lawns. So guess what? I've top dressed this lawn. We've fertilized it. One of the best things that I have found on these lawns is a Microlife hybrid. It's a 2005. It'll make your grass thrive and come alive for sure. Basically, you know, and we've had some ups and downs. This customer here, like, came out and sprayed his lawn. Not his lawn, wasn't his lawn. He sprayed his stone in the back with bleach, right? A whole bunch of it, and poured down into the lawn. Had a nice yellow spot, but everything else was coming out. If you look over here, all right, lawn doesn't quite look the same. You can look around, okay? The lawns don't quite look the same. They're not a hippie fertilizing lawn, okay? Because like I said, nobody knows grass like a hippie. And mostly I deal with St. Augustine grass. So here's the deal. In my opinion, all you dudes working so freaking hard on Bermuda lawns, this stuff is easy. Easy. I don't know what y'all tripping about. I don't know how to feed your grass. Shit. Anyway, this is a little follow-up video. I'll put a link and a little thing on the first video when I came out here and did the top dressing, so you can see a little bit of the before and after. Anyway, thank you for your time, and support soil biology. You don't have to do all the other crazy stuff to have amazing lawns, all right? Because it's all about doing what's better for the soil, for your home, your health, your safety, and the environment. That's right, and that's what I do, and I still got a baller freaking Bermuda lawn. Peace.